Today topic is cyclic redundancy code. This comes under topic error detection. Some popular techniques of error detection is parity check, checksum, and cyclic redundancy check. Cyclic redundancy code is based on binary division. It is a sequence of redundant bits called cyclic redundancy check are appended to the end of data units. At the destination end, incoming data unit is divided by same number. If there is no remainder, data is assumed to be correct. If there is remainder, data has been damaged in transit. This code is added in frame of data link layer. How to create cyclic redundancy code? Problem is find the transmitted code if the frame is MSB, means most significant bit 110101101. LSB means least significant bit. It indicates data is from left to right. Generator polynomial is x to the power 4 plus x plus 1. What is the problem? This is the frame, this is the message, and this is the generator. We have to generate transmitted code. GX symbol is used for generator polynomial, MX for message, TX for transmitted code. Let R be the degree of GX and append R0 to MX. Divide MX plus R0 by using modulo 2 arithmetic. XOR gate. Subtract remainder from MX plus R bit 0, giving us TX. For division, first of all, we have to know what is the truth table of XOR gate. When either bit is 1, output will be 1. Frame is 110, 101, 101 and 1 from question. And generator is x to the power 4 plus x plus 1. We find generator 10011. How to find it? X to the power 4 plus, this is the place of x to the power 3. There is no value for x to the power 3. So I have put here 0. Again, no for x to the power 2. So put 0 plus x to the power, this is x to the power 1 and 1, this is x to the power 0. Here I put 1 for given term and put 0 for not given the x. X to the power 4, here x to the power 4. So I put here 1. This is for 0, 0 and x to the power 1. Here I put 1 and plus x to the power 0. It means जो टर्म दिया हुआ है x का उसके लिए 1, जो नहीं दिया हुआ है उसके लिए 0 लिया. x to the power 3 नहीं दिया हुआ है, so I put here 0. x to the power 2 नहीं दिया है, so I put here 0. Second step is divide mx plus r0 by using modulo 2 arithmetic. Before this step, let R be the degree of GX. Append R0 to MX. degree of gx is 4. How to calculate degree of gx? Highest power of x is the degree of generator. So here degree of generator is 4. So add 40 to mx. Mx is 1 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 and 1, and this 40 we add for degree of polynomial. Second step, divide mx plus r0 bit by using modulo to arithmetic. This is the generator. If first bit is 1, okay, the quotient is 1. 1 0 0 1 1. The XOR get 0 1. Either bit is 1, output will be 1. Both input is 1, output will be 0. Both input is 0, output will be 0. Either input is 1, it is 1. And left the left bit. Again, we take this one bit. First bit is 1, so quotient is 1. And multiply by 1, this is 1 0 0 1 1. Both input are 1 0. Both input are 1, output will be 0. Both input is 0, output will be 0. Both input is 0, output will be 0. And left the left bit. Again we take this one. 1, either input is 1, output will be 1. Both input is 0, it is 0, output will be 0. Both input is 0, output will be 0. Both input is 0, output will be 0. Next bit is 0. Since first bit is 0, so I put here 0. And multiply this by 0. Either input is 0, output will be 0. Both either input is 1, output will be 1. Both input is 0, output will be 0. Both input will be 0, output will be 0. After that, we take this bit. First bit is 0, so we put 0 0 here and multiply this by 0 0. Either input will be 1, output will be 1. Either input will be 1, output will be 1. Both inputs are 0, output will be 0. Either input is 1, output will be 1. Left this bit. Again, we take 0. First bit is 0. So, we divide it 1 times. Multiply generator by 1, we get this. And either input is 1, output will be 1. Both input is 1, output will be 0. Either input is 1, output will be 1. Both input is 0, output will be 0. Left this. First bit is most significant bit is 0. So we take here 0 and multiply this by 0. We get this. Both input will 0, output will be 0. Either input is 1, output will be 1. Both input is 0, output will be 0. Either input is 1, output will be 1. First bit is 1, so we divide it by 1 times. We multiply generator by 1 and get this. Either input is 1, it is 1. Either input is 1, it is 1. Either input is 1, output will be 1. Both input is 0, output will be 0. First bit is 0, so we divide it 0 times. And multiplying 0 to generator, we get this. Output will be 0 because both input is 0, output is, this is 1 because either input is 1. Either input is 1, output will be 0. Either input is 1, either input will be 1, output is 0. Left this bit. So we get remainder 111 0. 1 1 1 and 0. Third step is subtract remainder from mx plus r bit 0. Remainder is 110, so tx is equal to msb plus r bit 0 minus remainder. We get 110, 101, 101, 41 and 0. So the transmitted code is 110, 101, 101, 40 and 0. This is from sender side. This code is append with frame sended by data link layer. This is from sender side. Similarly, on receiver sides, when receiver gets tx, divide tx by gx. Divide this tx by gx polynomial. What is gx? 10011. If tx divide teenly, no error has occurred. It means if remainder is 0 0 0 0, no error has occurred. If there is a remainder, it indicates an error in transmitted code. You can check by dividing this transmitted code by generator. If remainder is 0 0 0 0, then your division is correct. Before this topic, I had given 2 blocks and other notes on networking. Please go through this and prepare your notes according to syllabus. Thank you. Stay home and be safe.